Okay, so this is the TH68 from Epomaker, and I just love the way this keyboard sounds stock. So this is just a little bit of a sound test, so if you guys are interested in this board, it is listed down below. But from the overall theme, the aesthetic, the keycaps, and the stock sound of this board, I think this is one of my favorite boards in my collection, and I definitely recommend you guys this board.